Nana's got
Meatloaf.
a giant carrot for meatloaf. Come here, Nana.
Leave it.
Hold on, let's have a look at this thing. Wait, let's have a look. Look at this, the massive carrot that Nana found for Meaty. What do you think, Meaty?
Think you can handle that?
Oh man, look at that thing. We'll make him work for it though, Nana.
Leave it. Leave it. Take a paw.
Oh, definitely.
Okay, high five. Oh yeah. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. You can have a lick, yeah? Leave it. Leave it. Okay. Want it? What are you going to do with it? Okay. Take it. Take it.
Okay.
Okay, you can have it.
Give me that thing.
What did you do? Drop it?
You knocked it out of my hand.
Oh.
What are you going to do with it?
What a big carrot.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure what to do with it.
Look at the size of that carrot. Oh man, that thing's huge.
Chomp, chomp.
That's okay enough.
Chomp, chomp.
That'll take you a couple of minutes at least.
Maybe we should make half of this?
Well, let's see how far he gets. He's gonna have explosive diarrhea.
He's never seen such a big carrot.
Huh?
He's never seen such a big carrot.
This thing is massive.
Was it going to go through it?
Nope. We'll try the other end now. Ha ha! Speaking of the other end. Uh-oh. You're gonna have a burning ring of fire, Meaty.